Hello and welcome to Learn with Shahadat. In this video I will show you how to draw a simple floor plan using AutoCAD 2019. So this will be the floor plan I will show you how to draw. So in this channel we made video tutorial for software, website and robotics. We are also creating academic lesson. Subscribe and click on the bell icon to stay with us. Let's jump to the tutorial now. So we'll start from a blank page such as this. So when you are on a blank page, first thing you need to do is change the units. To change the units, write UN on the command panel and press enter, and this window will pop open. From here you need to change the length type to architectural, precision to 1/4 of an inch, and keep your unit in inches. Now just press OK and it's done. Now let's draw a rectangle which will be the outer boundary of our floor. So click on this rectangle icon and click anywhere on your blank drawing. Now write at the rate 50 feet, 31 feet. Now this is our 50 by 31 feet rectangle. So from this rectangle actually we will create the outer walls. First of all we need to create the inner rooms also. So we will create the walls after we create the inner room boundaries. To do that, click on this line tool, click on this edge and just take a 15 feet line, then from there go to left about 12 feet and then again another 6 feet and then again another 10 feet and just connect the rest of the way. So here I have actually drawn extra line. I am just going to delete this now. So now let's draw some other lines. So from here draw a line downwards, and then from this 6 feet mark, from here this mark draw a line upwards, and from here, so let's stay precise. So this, and from this 6 feet line actually we are going to draw a line upwards, and from end of this 6 feet line draw another line. So these two will be my bedroom, this will be kitchen, this will be drawing, dining and common space, and here will be the bathroom. So now let's use the offset tool to create the walls. So outer walls will be 10 inch in thickness and inner wall will be 6 inch in thickness. To do that, just click on this offset tool and write 10 inch and press enter, and just click on this rectangle and drag outside, and your 10 inch thickness wall is created. Now again press enter, click on this offset tool, take a offset of 6 inch, then just click here and downwards, from here downwards, from here outwards. So now my walls are done. There is one so I am going to press again, take offset of 6 inch. So do this. So all my walls are done. Now let's do some trimming and clean up. So to do that, just click on this trim tool, press enter, and then just select the line you wanna delete. So I am going to clean up some lines so that it's very easy and beautiful to see. So there is one, and there is the downside, there is another, and here there is also another one. Just press enter. Now all my trimmings are done. Now let's talk about layers. Layers in AutoCAD actually used for categorizing and classifying different objects. It allows you to simplify your drawing. So if you wanna add some layers or delete some layers, just go to this layer properties. So this window will pop open. So from here you can actually create new layer, delete your existing layer, or rename them, or change the color of the layer. So I'm going to just create some layer first walls, then create doors and windows, then texts, then hatch, then dimension. So these are the layers I will be using. If I need any more layers, I will draw them later. So I am going to assign a different color to each of these layers. So I am going to change my walls to actually this color, cyan. Then my doors and window will be in magenta. My text okay, what's the problem? Is everything okay? Yes, okay. So my hatches, I'm going to keep my hatches as red, and my text will be in blue, and I'm going to keep my dimension as white. So now the walls we have drawn actually is in, just move it a little bit, is in the 0 layer. So I'm going to take it to the wall layer. Just select your walls and click on this walls layer. So now it's in the wall layer. So it's done. Now let's draw doors and windows. To draw door, first take the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle of, first of all, height of 3 feet and length 3 inch. So I'm going to give 3 at 3 inch, comma 3 feet. Press enter. So this is your. Now let's draw a smaller rectangle of 3 inch, comma 6 inch. Press enter. Now move this rectangle to here. Make sure that these two ends are connected. Okay, one other thing, I am actually drawing now on this 0 layer. So let's move these two doors and windows there. Just select them and click the doors and windows. So now our doors and these are in doors and windows there. Now go to your arc option and select the center, start, end, and click this point. Go here, click here, and just draw a quarter circle. So I am still in actually the 0 layer, so I need to select the doors and dimension layer. Just select it, go to here. So it's actually here. Now copy this small rectangle and move it about here. So this is actually my one-sided door. So I'm going to just copy this and move it aside and create a two-sided door. So to do that, I'm going to use the mirror tool. Click on the mirror option, select this door, press enter, and from this point just rotate. Now you have your two-sided door. So click on the mirror, press enter, select it, enter, just draw it. Now you have your two-sided door. So now you can just delete your this small 2 rectangle and two-sided door is complete. Now let's draw windows. I'm going to draw 2 windows for inner walls and outer walls. For inner walls, I'm going to make a window of length 5 feet and height 6 inch. So at the rate 5 feet, comma 6 inch. Press enter. So now click on this rectangle, press X and click enter. It will actually explode the rectangle and divide it into 4 different sides. So now I'm going to use the offset tool. Take 1 inch offset and move it downward, press enter. Now copy this line and move it about in the middle. I'm going to create another window for outer wall, which will be which will have a 6 feet length and 10-inch height. Again explode this, then then just use the offset tool, take 2-inch offset and make it 2-inch offset, press enter, then select this line and copy it and move it about the middle. So now my 4 doors and windows are created. Now let's make them into block. To do that, first you have to go to this create block option. From here click on this and first name your block. I am going to first door, 2 side. Now I am going to select the object. This is the object, press enter, click OK, your block is done. Again door, 1 side, select the object, press enter, OK. Again window, outer, select the object, press enter, OK. Again window inner, click OK. So first select the object, press enter, click OK. Now all of my blocks actually done. You can see this from this insert block option, all 4 blocks are there, so you can just delete this, you don't need this anymore. So you can just insert this block from here whenever you need to use them. So this is all for now. In the next video I'll show you how you can add these doors and windows to your floor plan, and also how can you bring additional block from AutoCAD, which are actually built in inside the AutoCAD. You need to use the add center. So I'll show you how to use that, and also I'll show on the next video how you can add hatches to highlight your walls. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Hopefully stay with us and subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when my new video is uploaded. Thank you.